Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'll be unboxing and installing a roll pan to my mini truck. What's a roll pan? Let's find out. What's a roll pan? A roll pan is, as you guys know, I removed my bumper, my steel bumper that it had on the back. So we're gonna put a piece of metal that goes all the way to cover this area where the bumper used to be. That is called a roll pan. All right, and I'm gonna get the one that has a license plate holder. Right now I can't use my truck because I do not have a license plate holder. I can put it somewhere there, but it's not gonna have a light, and that's an issue here in Texas. So what I'm gonna do, I got myself a roll pan. Let's see the company that I got it from and show you. And here it is, guys. The company is called Street and Show, and this is a roll pan right there. This one does have for a light, which it is included. Also the little tabs where the license plate holder is, so you can put your license plate right there, guys. I'm gonna leave everything in the description below as to where you can get some of these, and it's a real nice addition. The steel that it's made from, it is thick. It is thick and sturdy, real nice. Let's see how it's gonna fit, but I know it will. So let me show you how it's installed. Another thing, guys, that is their website right there. Right there, that's their website. Go ahead, tell them Faraway sent you. Let's install it, see how it looks. And that right there, guys, is a roll pan. It just replaces the bumper, gives you a nicer look once it's painted. I still need to put the bolts underneath on both sides, but it looks good. Looks real good. Had no issues installing it. It's just plug and play. All I needed was place it, put the bolts, and we're good to go. Now that everything is bolted on, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna install the license plate light. I do have my wires here hanging. They were from the other bumper, the steel bumper that I had. I just cut them and left them there because I knew I was gonna need them. So I'm only gonna need one because the light only has one entrance of electricity, and that's it. Let's connect that to this and it should turn on, and then put the little tabs there for the license plate, and we are done. Now it's gonna look a lot leaner, meaner, cleaner. And there it is. That is a license plate light. It is LED. Perfect. Now I need to put those little tabs, put the license plate, and we are good to go. And that is it for the roll pan from Street and Show. Now I have something else from Street and Show. Let me show you. And what it is, they're brand new mirrors. Now these are plastic because I am gonna paint them, but let me show you what I got right now and what I'm gonna switch my mirrors to these. These are a lot better, a lot sleeker. So let me show you the difference. Those are the chrome mirrors that I have right there. Nice and slim. They're actually for the Nissan, the hard body. They're the original ones. But we're gonna remove those and install these. Let me install one, real easy to install, so that you can see the difference. Before installing them, they do come with their base. This one needs to be attached to the mirror in order for it to go where your original mirror is at. So we're gonna attach these. Everything comes with its own hardware. Again, plug and play. Real easy to install. Let me attach that portion of the bracket and install it in the truck. And there it is. What do you guys think? Does it look better? Now remember, all this is going to get painted the same color as the truck. To me, it looks nice. But I want to hear your opinion. Should I leave these, the original ones, or these? This is a new style of mirror that the Street and Show has on their website. Alright, before we finish up with the video, this is the website, and this is what they sell, guys. Sport mirrors and roll pans. Now they do have for several different make and models of pickup trucks right there, as you can see. So if you see yours in here and you want a roll pan, go ahead, go to this website, order yourself one. Also, they got sport mirrors like the ones I showed you. Again, they do have them for different make and model vehicles. So there you go, guys. And there you have it, guys. Two good products, two very good products from Street and Show. The roll pan and the mirrors. Now, like I mentioned, everything is in the description below, where you can go ahead, hit them up, tell them Faraway sent you, and get yourself some. It's gonna look nice, it's gonna look beautiful on your mini truck. This is gonna be it, guys. This is gonna be it for this video. Thank you very much, and like always, I'll see you next weekend. I'll see you next week, and have a great week. Thank you and God bless. I want to thank Street and Show for sponsoring this video. Thank you. Like always, stay safe.